Hey there, fellow mushroom enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all you beginners out there. How to grow mushrooms at home. I'm Agribee, and in this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of cultivating your very own delicious mushrooms right in the comfort of your own home. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to decide which type of mushrooms you want to grow. For beginners, I recommend starting with a beginner-friendly variety like oyster mushrooms or shiitake mushrooms. They're relatively easy to cultivate and have a great flavor. Next, you'll need to acquire mushroom spawn. This is like the seed for your mushrooms. You can purchase pre-made spawn online or at a local gardening store. Alternatively, you can even make your own using a mushroom spore syringe and a substrate. Now, let's prepare the growing substrate. This is the material that your mushrooms will grow on. For oyster mushrooms, a mixture of straw and coffee grounds works well. For shiitake mushrooms, a blend of hardwood sawdust and bran is ideal. Mix your chosen substrate and pack it into containers or bags. To prevent contamination and ensure a healthy mushroom harvest, it's crucial to sterilize your substrate. You can do this by baking it in an oven or pressure cooking it. Make sure to follow the recommended sterilization times and temperatures for your chosen substrate. Once your substrate has cooled down, it's time to inoculate it with the mushroom spawn. Open the spawn bag and evenly distribute the spawn throughout the substrate. Gently mix it in to promote even colonization. Now, place your inoculated substrate in a clean, dark, and humid environment. This is the incubation phase, during which the mycelium, the mushroom's root system, will spread and colonize the substrate. After the substrate is fully colonized, it's time to initiate fruiting conditions. This usually involves exposing the substrate to fresh air, light, and slightly lower humidity. Mist the growing environment regularly to maintain the necessary moisture. As days pass, you'll start to see tiny mushrooms forming. Keep a close eye on their development. You'll notice them growing larger each day, and it's truly an exciting process to witness. Once your mushrooms have reached a suitable size, it's time to harvest. Carefully twist or cut the mushrooms at the base to avoid damaging the mycelium. Remember, a sharp knife is your best friend here. Congratulations, you've successfully grown your own mushrooms at home. It's a rewarding experience that connects you with the fascinating world of fungi. Remember, this was just a basic guide to get you started. There's so much more to explore and learn about mushroom cultivation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mushroom growing tips and tricks. Thanks for joining me, and happy mushroom